back to Cooking with Alex and Garrett, where today we're making some Dr. Pepper pasta. As you can see, we already have our pre-boiled Dr. Pepper all ready. And now we're gonna turn down the heat a little bit, and now we're gonna put our spaghetti in. Yeah. Now, the noodles are supposed to leach in the flavor from the Dr. Pepper, so that way you get that nice, good, fizzy taste. Now, Dr. Pepper has 23 flavors, but we're now gonna have 24 with the flavor of pasta. The Italians would be so proud. Could you get a spoon, Garrett? Like a big spoon. Oh, and regular pasta, but that's not important. I don't think we got no big spoons. No big spoons? I don't know about you, but I don't see no big spoons. Except for this one, which has... This will work. This one. There's another one?
Right now, we're making mashed potatoes. I'm gonna put more water in it because I don't know why.
Now, a lot of people will break the spaghetti in half, but then when it's all done, it's not as good. So what you do is you just put half of it in, and when it gets soft enough, it'll bend and put the other half. I mean, half of it will be slightly more cooked, but that's not important right now. Yeah, now we're talking. But you never want to overcook your noodles, because then they'll be all soggy, and that's gross. We also, before, added just a splash of 7-Up. So now, instead of 23 flavors, we have 26 flavors, including lemon, lime, and pasta. We'll know when to take it out when it looks noodly enough. Add a pinch of salt to the regular water, because then it makes it taste better.
And some pumpkin pie spice to the other ones. Oh, that's good.
I think that's good. How do you feel about this, Alex?
I think it's going to be fantastic.
It's getting there though. It's still kind of hard. No, you put the sauce in after you strain it out.
Didn't need a whisper.
Oh, yeah.
It's actually looking pretty close to done now.
What?
Never mind, that's not even close.
No, it's pretty close. It's soft. Just the inside is like. Do you have a good bowl we could put underneath the strainer?
Probably.
This is good enough, right, Alex?
Well, let me see. No, don't use plastic. That can melt it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but also it might be like the microwave safe one.
Oh, if it's microwave safe, that's fine. Oh, it's looking so good.
Oh my god.
Yo, it's brown.
How brown is it?
Pretty brown.
We might need a bigger one. Do you have a bigger one than this?
How are the mashed potatoes coming along?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Add a dash more of 7-Up in there. A big dash. Because you can't make Dr. Pepper pasta without lemons. I mean limes. Oh, well, it's so frothy on the top now. Whoa. The noodles are probably going to be done any second now.
What about the normal noodles?
The normal noodles, we're going to kill the heat.
Taste them. Taste it.
Gimme. Yep.
So strain it.
Ah, kill the heat.
This is shark.
You turn off the heat.
Alright, we need a bowl to collect the Dr. Pepper.
We have it under there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we have it right there.
Oh, yeah.
Ready.
I don't know if we put
Time
enough
to
to
strain.
Put a bowl under it so we can collect the Dr. Pepper.
Should I put the sauce in first or the pasta in first?
Put the sauce in first.
Yeah, I don't want the pasta to get scorched.
Oh, dang.
Now we're gonna.
Here, do you have a fork or something? One that wasn't used for the mashed potatoes?
Ooh, that steam smells so good. The noodles are very much Dr. Pepper colored. Because you add salt to regular pasta because it sucks in the salt for extra flavor. I put some salt in there.
Oh shoot, took it off the heat. That's not good.
Oh, look at these noodles, dog.
Oh my gosh, we still have all the Dr. Pepper. Now we're gonna toss it in the sauce.
That looks pretty good.
Probably not.
I'm about to get lost in this sauce, bro.
Probably gonna suck actually.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Bro, there's hardly any in here though.
Don't even worry about that.
Okay, maybe you should take that out so it doesn't burn and get stuck to the bottom. Yeah.
Taken care of.
Mashed
gosh.
potatoes are done.
Dr. Pepper noodles, bro.
With the Dr. Pepper. Oh,
What next do we need to do?
careful. That was a knife.
I didn't see that was there. Where's the other one of these?
We gotta plate this. No, don't use that, bro. Just use your hands, bro. Where's a bowl? Where's a bowl? I need a bowl.
We need a bowl.
Not that one. Keep your bowl. Put the water on the bottom.
Oh, that looks so good.
Of course we're gonna eat it.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it.
Add just a little bit of the Dr. Pepper back.
No, we should
Just a teeny bit, just a teeny bit. There we go. Now give me a cup. I'm gonna drink some of this.
Eat it, Dr. Pepper.
Hot Dr. Pepper.
How much Dr. Pepper did you put in here? This is like enough for like one person, so we're
You guys are gonna have to share it. And... Can I try?
Just in case.
Oh, the cup feels like someone's peeing in it.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
Look at that. Oh, all the sediment. All the sediment. That's probably not good to eat.
It's a wrap.
I'm gonna cool it down.
Bro, it's like we just distilled Dr. Pepper, bro.
I'm gonna take a sip.
Taste it, bro. Taste
Let
it.
me try.
Ooh, that's hot.
Does
That's
it burn?
good, though.
Does it burn?
Oh, a little bit. Let me see that.
Holy crap.
Does it taste the same?
Go slow.
No.
See?
Oh, look at that.
You excited to eat it?
Heck yeah, I'm excited to eat that. Bone apple teeth.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what is it?
That sucks.
Gotta twirl
Now
it
let's
like
see
a-
Garrett try it.
Gotta twirl it like a pro. Okay, you can't even twirl it, it's just clumping together.
It's good. It's good. Would recommend for others to make.